Are you looking for the best jigsaw reviews in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 3 best jigsaw reviews that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, BLACKDECKER Jig Saw. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, having a powerful and precise jigsaw is a must. The BLACK+DECKER high-performance electric jig saw is just the tool you need for making clean, precise cuts. This jigsaw features a 5-amp motor that generates up to 3,000 SPM of cutting power. That's enough power to make quick work of even the toughest materials. The orbital action provides increased precision, while the 4 curved settings give you maximum control over rounded cuts. And for beveled cuts up to 45 degrees, the adjustable shoe with wire guard enhances stability and line of sight. At number 2, Bosch Corded Top Handle Saw. The Milwaukee 6232-21 Jig Saw is one of the best jig saws on the market. It is packed with features that make it a versatile and user-friendly tool. The ergonomic top handle provides a comfortable grip, and the toolless blade change system is fast and easy to use. The 4 orbital action settings provide different blade strokes for different cutting tasks, and the variable speed dial sets the maximum speed. The accelerator trigger controls the operating speed, and the ambidextrous lock-on button provides steadiness and comfort. The jig saw includes a large, sturdy die-cast foot with steel insert, a multi-directional blade clamp, and an anti-splinter insert. It also comes with a carrying case. At number 3, DeWalt MAX Jig Saw. The DeWalt DCS331B Jigsaw is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of applications. The all-metal, keyless blade change allows for quick and easy blade changes, and the all-metal, keyless shoe bevel with detents at 0 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree, and 45 degree provides versatility for easy bevel cutting. The 4-position orbital action provides control of cut quality and speed for the jigsaw tool, and the adjustable dust blower keeps line of cut clear of chips. The variable speed 0 to 3000 SPM for versatility in a multitude of materials and applications, and the anti-slip comfort grip for increased comfort and control. The DeWalt DCS331B Jigsaw accepts T-shank jig saw blades for optimal holding power and professional results. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.